Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to install and activate Netflix OTT app on our smart TV. So let's check it out. Netflix is one of the most popular and most downloaded video apps out there. Personally, I enjoy watching a lot of Netflix originals like Stranger Things, Narcos, Dark, and a lot of movies and documentaries as well. If you want to install the Netflix OTT app, then go to the App Store on your smart TV. And search for Netflix app here. Choose the Netflix app here. I'm using Samsung Smart TV now, but this step should be applicable for all the modern smart TVs. Select the install option here. That's all. We have successfully installed Netflix app on our smart TV. We can open this now. Here on this page, we can use the continue or get started option to create a new Netflix account. But if you already have an active account, then select the sign in option here. Press this. Here we have three options to activate this app. First one is by scanning this QR code and activating this via the confirmation code. Second one is by going to this netflix.com URL and activating this via the confirmation code. And the third one is by using our remote control to enter the Netflix login details and activating. We can also use the sign up button here to create a new account if you want. For the first option, we can use our phone's camera app to scan this QR code. Most of the latest smartphones have this QR code scanner on the camera app itself. If not, you can download a separate app for this. Just point the camera to this and you'll get this URL netflix.com. Just select this. And here we have to confirm the code shown on the TV. If both the codes are same, choose sign in to TV. That's all. Now the Netflix app is activated on our TV. Now we can use the Netflix app on our TV without any issue. For the second option, we have to use our mobile or desktop browser and type netflix.com/tv2. Log into your existing Netflix account if you haven't. And then here we have to enter the confirmation code shown on our TV screen. And then select the continue button. That's all. The confirmation code on the screen might change once in a while, like for some seconds. So make sure you complete the steps within that time period. For the third option, it's pretty straightforward. We have to enter our email address and password associated with our active Netflix account. That's all. We can log in using this and activate the account on our smart TV. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts about installing and activating Netflix OTT app on our smart TV in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.